be a slow start, but it's how you move forward from there.
I feel like Signal just has to minimize their errors and polish their reception so that they can really match the output of the high-speed hitters. Check Yunela with an excellent pass there. Chai Troncoso is starting to heat up for Coach Shaq de los Santos. Ang gandang bunot from the bench that she is an outside hitter, but she is more than willing to take on that opposite hitter role. Jessie De Leon on the serve. That was a perfect pass from Amiga. Chai Troncoso with a put-away off that overpass from PLDT.
Laser sharp. You know, I mean, she's just so focused. She sees the ball. Given the opportunity, I'm going to go for it.
Is it safe to say?
Whoa!
Jel Cayuna again activates Chai Troncoso from the right wing. She has scored 4 points in this specific set.
And why not Goether? Obviously gets that kill. I mean, the effect, the impact on the team.
Chai Troncoso continues to impress everybody.